Nila has been helping us for a while already with the SQE2 or QLTS, which is equivalent to SQE2. And she has a vast experience preparing people for the exam and their struggles, issues and things like that. Any few tips for those who are sitting the SQE2? We actually are facing the exam just in a few days. Actually, tomorrow, it's to start tomorrow.
Okay. The tips would be, I would say, based on my previous experience, students who reach out to me, my time with the RPC, that is to, some people would be different, of course, and that's my caveat. But for me, it's the nerves. If you've learned enough, if you put enough time, whatever it is, 2 or 3 months, 2 weeks, three weeks, if you're comfortable with the knowledge that you've attained, then the next thing, the next biggest thing I would say is the nerves, and that would play a big part during the exam itself. You know, one could easily make a mistake if the nerves takes over. So while I would say calm the nerves. And how to do that back then, for me, it would be different for everybody, obviously. It would be, I would give myself one night free exactly before the exam, no more revisions. You know, I would basically go to sleep early, bank the sleep. That's my